And several shooting deaths in our area recently, and deadly gun violence was the purpose of a rally on the Capitol steps with a renewed call for gun safety laws. Mallory Metzner joins us live from the Capitol with the story. Mallory.
Dennis, Ceasefire PA says the number of people getting shot and killed in Pennsylvania was down 46% from 2022 to 2025. The group also says that gun-related injuries are now the leading cause of death in children. They're calling for more changes.
When I got that knock on the door from the coroner, I lost my breath.
Shallon Buskirk lost her oldest two sons to gun violence.
I stand here today sharing my son's stories because they cannot be here to fight with us.
She's just one in a sea of orange Ceasefire PA shirts on the state capitol steps.
We are the ones who are walking to and from fresh graves.
There are faith leaders, survivors, and doctors present.
For the first time ever, the General Assembly invested in community-centered violence prevention programs, people that work with the highest risk individuals and de-escalate conflict before it turns into shooting, turns them to other paths, and connects them to social services.
Garber says homicides are down and gun suicides are up. The group wants to see more legislative changes.
Secure storage to ensure every gun in a home is locked up, and dealing with crime guns by banning ghost guns and Glock switches.
He says a new safe storage bill by Representative Tim Briggs will prevent school shootings and suicides.
I'm going to walk up and introduce it before my next meeting.
Republican State Senator Frank Ferry is working on gun safety legislation too.
Our legislation literally increases the penalties for theft from a gun store. Juveniles can be charged as adults, and it also increases the penalty for the organizer, because quite often the organizer is not there. They're leaving the juveniles to potentially be caught, and also increasing the penalties for felons in possession of firearms.
Ceasefire PA wants to close the background check loophole to make sure people who have committed violent crimes can't buy guns. Ceasefire PA is also calling for $80 million in the next state budget to keep funding the Pennsylvania Commission on Crime and Delinquency's Violence Intervention Program. Live at the state capitol, Mallory Metzner, ABC 27 News.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.